Hello class 2, welcome back to maths class. Today in this class we are going to do mental maths. As you all know that we have completed till page number 22. In the previous video we have completed from page 14 to 22. And I expect all of you to complete the work which has been assigned in the previous class. So today we are going to start with the next topic, or rather we can say from the next page, that is page number 23. Okay, so let us start, and I want everyone to take out your mental maths book, and when I am explaining to you, at the same time you can look into your own book the questions and you can understand. Okay, so let us start the class. Okay, class 2, as you can see here, this is page number 23 and exercise number 19. So we will start the work from this page. Okay, so you can see there are 4 flowers given, and in each petal of flower few numbers are there, and in the center of the flower the total is given. Okay, so in the first flower you can see here, I will start from here. So what number we are going to add with 100 so that you get 410. Now you know in your book, mental maths book, in the down you have given some space to do the rough work. So we'll start from here. In 100, how much will you add to get 410? So what you will do, you will subtract 100 from 410. So you will get, I think, 310, right? So you have to subtract the given number from the total. So the answer will be 310. Okay. Next, coming to this number 250, how much to add in 250 to get 410? Same thing you will do. Again you subtract 410 from 410, you subtract 250. So you will get 0. Now you just borrow this. It will be 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. And this becomes 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So it's coming 160. Okay, so when you add 160 to 250, you get 410. Like that, you will be doing the rest of the numbers which are given. Now, same thing you have to do for the next flower. This one, down one also, you have to follow the same pattern. You have to subtract the given number from the total number. Alright. Now, coming to the next flower here on the right hand side, how much to subtract from 400 to get 350? So what you will do? What you will again subtract the larger number, no? Upper one are the larger numbers and the difference is given to you. That means you have been given minuend and the difference. You have to find out the subtrahend. So in order to find out the subtrahend, again you will subtract. So what you will do? You will subtract, I am starting from here, okay, from this. So 400 minus 350. Just subtract it. What you get? This becomes 10. Here 3. 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. So if you subtract 50 from 400, you will get 350. Likewise, from 900, how much to subtract to get 350? So see, just subtract 350 from 900. See how much you get? 0. This becomes 10. Minus 5 is 5. And this is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. So right here 550. Okay. So in this way you will complete all these 4 flowers. These 2 flowers are having the same pattern and these 2 flowers are having same pattern. Okay. Now we will move to the next page, page number 24. Now this page number 24, it's having very small questions as you have done in class, I think 1 also you have done. So we know, let's start from question number A. 1 more than 300 and So if you say 1 means always add. Sorry, more means always add and less means always subtract. How much to add? 1 to add. And in this question, how much to subtract? 1 to subtract. So we will add 1 to 300. So we get here 301. Now in the next question number B, 1 less than 499. So you will subtract 1 from 499. So it comes 498. Next, 640 plus 320. Now just 640 plus, so instead of the symbol they have given the word. So you have to add these two numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. So the answer will be 960. Now coming to the next question. 989 minus 488. So you can do this calculation here. 900. What is the question? 989 minus 488. 9 minus 8 is 1. 8 minus 8 is 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. So the answer will be 501. Okay. Now here 800 minus 400. 800 minus 400 means how much? 800 minus 400. So it will be 400 only. Right? So the answer will be, you can write answer here 400. Okay. Or if you write like this 400, this is also correct. Not an issue. Next, what is the difference between this and this number? Like, you have to find the difference. Difference means always subtraction, isn't it? Difference is also one of the vocabulary for subtraction. So you can do this 798 minus 487. So 8 minus 7 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 7 minus 4 is 3. 311. So right here 311. Alright. Similarly, you will be doing this. What should be added to this number to get this? So total is given to you and one of the number is given to you. So when you subtract the given number from the total, you will get that number which is to add it with this number to get this number. Okay. So again 800 minus 400, how much is coming? 5, because we are going to borrow. Okay, this will be 7, it will be 10, this is going to be 9. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 9 is 0, 7 minus 4 is 3. So the answer will be 305. Now coming to the next question. Add 593 to this. Add, that means addition. Okay, 5 plus 3 is 8. 0 plus 9 is 9. And 2 plus 5 is 7. That's it. Now subtract 320 from 780. So 780 is bigger, 320 is smaller. So you can just write 320 below this and subtract. So the answer will be 0 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 2 is 6 and 7 minus 3 is 4. Answer is 460. Now again 250 plus 680, how much? 250 plus 680, 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 carry over. 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1, 9. 930 is the answer. Now this is given in expanded form. You have to write in the short form. 400 plus 3 times plus 5 ones, it will be 435. Take away. Now this take away means again subtraction. So you will take away 629 from 999. So let us do here 999 minus 629. Isn't it? 0, 7, 3. 370. 10 more than. Now more than means always addition. So how much to add? 10 to add to this number. So it will be 573. Because we are adding 10. Okay. So 6 plus 1 becomes 7. And then in 1's place it will be 3. So 563 plus 10 is 573. Now subtract. Minus means subtraction. Again 890 minus 420. Now do here 890 minus 428. You can do mental calculation also. It's 2, then 8 minus 2 is 6, 8 minus 4 is 4. So answer will be 462. 340 is less than 558. So again less means you have to subtract 558 minus 346. Subtract 8 minus 6 is 2, 5 minus 4 is 1, 5 minus 3 is 2. Answer is 12. Sorry, answer will be 212. So I hope you have followed this page number 24 also. Now page number 25 we will not do. Why we will not do? Because this is word problems, and word problems we will be doing only in case of our New Maths Explorer. In New Maths Explorer, whatever the word problems are given, we will do there. Now leaving this page, we are moving to the next two pages, page number 26 and page number 27. Again you have test papers like page number 28 and 29. These are all test papers. Test papers means what? Whatever you have understood, you have learned so far, all those type of questions are given here, and it is for your practice sake. So I will not teach you how to do this. You have to do it by yourself, and you will have to send me the work, okay? And I will check, and there only I will see whether you have understood or not, okay? So I feel that all these type of questions have been done. The number name, you know how to write the number name. The numeral for 695, this also you know. Then you have to write the pattern, okay? 725, then 750. What is the pattern? So you have to subtract this number from this number, and you see what is the difference. That difference you keep on adding to the next number, you will get. Now dash comes before 800. What comes before 800? Write the answer here. 950 comes after which number? Write here. Ring the largest number. From all these numbers, ring the largest number. Write the smallest formed number formed by using these digits. So 253, the digits are given, 3 digits are given. You have to form the smallest number. So in order to form the smallest number, we follow the like which order do we follow? We follow the descending order, isn't it? Descending order means big. So no, we don't follow the descending order. Small to big. Small to big is descending. Yes, we follow the descending order only. Okay. So in order to write the smallest number, we follow the descending order. So descending order will be what? 2, 3, 5. Okay. No putting comma here. No putting comma in between. Okay. Arrange in increasing order. You know how to arrange in increasing order. Then one more than. Again one more than this, how much? 776, and one less than this, how much? 778. So which one is greater? This is greater. Okay, 778 is greater than 776. Now again you have to put this one. You have to put this. Okay. So 410, 401. Which is greater? 410 obviously greater. Write in expanded form. Write in short form. Place value. You know how to write place value. Which number is 1 more than 610? You know how to do this also. What comes between 899 and, so this is between numbers question. Okay. So I think you will be able to do page number 26, page number 27. Okay. Add the largest 2-digit numbers. I think you may face problem here, but this is also not difficult. Add the largest 2-digit number. 2-digit number is what? Largest 2-digit number is 99, and the smallest 3-digit number. So smallest 3-digit number is 100. Answer will be 199. Okay. And rest I think you will be able to do. That's not difficult. Then you have in page number 28 also the same type of question. Okay. Only few questions like this one. There were 763 hens in a poultry farm. Out of them, this many died. Find the remaining. Remaining means always subtraction. So you will subtract 384 from 763 and you can get the answer. Okay, and these rest other questions you can do it by yourself. So you will complete. Here also you have word problems. Word problems, like simple word problems, I think you can do it. It's not very difficult. Okay, so you can solve these two word problems also. This one might be based on, let me see. There are 845 books in the library. 150 books were added more. Added more, that means it will be addition. And find the number of books in the library. So you have to find the total number. So you will add both these numbers and you get the answer. There were 963 animals in the zoo. 515 of them were shifted to another zoo. Find how many were left. Left means always subtraction. So you will always minus, subtract and get the answer. Okay. So now you can do from page number, look here, page number 24 you can do, page number 23 also you can do, 23, 24, 25 you will not do, 26, 27, then 28 and 29. So you will complete all these pages and you will keep your work ready, and when I upload the work in the Google Classroom, that time you will send your work and I will check your work. Okay. So that's all in this video, and if you have anything to ask, you can ask me through Telegram, and I think in the coming Saturday you will have an interaction class with me. So please keep all your doubts and all your questions ready so that I can answer all your questions. Okay. So thank you for watching the video. Bye bye and take care.